All right, this is Dr. Louis of Navy Gold Clinics. This is another of my YouTube episode. I want to advise you to follow, click the subscribe to follow my videos. Watching these videos is for free. Now, I want to talk about relationship, how as a man to get the best lady you need. Listen carefully. Sometimes getting a lady, you need time. Don't just choose because you want to choose a lady. If not, you're going to get it all twisted. Now, listen carefully. Some guys, some men will tell you, it has been very difficult for me to get the right person. I love this person, but it has been difficult for me to reach the person. Listen carefully. Every single girl you meet outside have a person. 1, 2, 3, depends on the person. They already have a person they love, so you don't expect to catch the person's attention just by saying hello, how are you? Now, everything has to do with a process. And if you listen very well, I'm going to teach you the process to get any kind of girl you need, depending on what you want. Now listen, these days, funny enough, when a guy meets a girl, the next thing you see is, come to my home. What do you have in your home that you want her to see that she has not seen? Don't forget that she has seen so many things. 98% of the girls you see today has guys, but they lack love, affection, care in those relationships. I guarantee you this. I said 98%. So I'm not telling you 2%. I'm telling you 98%. That is to show you the wide margin of you being able to get any person you need. It is almost 100% possible. Now, the first step is this. When you meet this person, exchange contact if it's possible. This should be the first step. Try to exchange contact. If it's immediately you exchange contact, don't invite her to your home. Come to my home. No. It's a gradual process. It can take 2 months. It can take 1 month. It can take 3 months for a lady. It can take a year for a lady to automatically like you, first and foremost. And when that likeness comes into play, then you are holding the key. But when you are not holding the key, when the key is not with you, you keep on grumbling, you need this and you don't know how to get it. Look at the step. One thing you need to do is immediately you have a phone number, you call. The call you make maybe once in 3 days, once in 5 days, must not be a long pronounced call. Hello, how are you? Are you eating? Make sure you eat. You cut your call or you look for something else to say. Simple. This can go on and go on and go on. Then, do not allow her to tell you what maybe she needs something, maybe a card, maybe she needs a gift. It should be once in a while. You send her this gift just for her to understand that you got some intentions. Then sometimes put it to her, you like her. This should come. Please do not invite her to your home, because that is where you're going to destroy the relationship. Because these guys you are talking about, or the lady you're talking about, already have a person he's with. Now, but she's lacking care. The difference between you and the next man is what you tell her. Is what you tell her, what you are telling her, what do you tell her? Now, it's simple. Do this once in a while, gradually she starts to develop interest. It's not going to be magical. Do not expect magic. It can take a whole lot of time. Provided you are very sure that this person is a person you like to get married to. You like her so much. This process I'm teaching you is for people that want to get married, not for have fun, and because you're going to break a heart here. Now you're going to continue this process, test, and all. Once in a while you send gift. Before you know it, once in a while, if this particular guy starts to flash you back sometimes or return your call or whatever, that means that she's developing interest. Do not panic. Do not worry yourself. You are in line. Now you are going to continue this for a very long time. Do not invite her to your house. It is very, very uncalled for. Except she tells you she wants to come to your house. This is just a simple step. Send her a message if you wish and check. Now, her coming to your home or wherever, or taking her out or whatever, depends on how fast she falls in love. Because some ladies takes a longer time to fall in love. Why? Because of the heartbreaks they've been through. Many ladies have been through more heartbreaks, and so it will not be easy to fall in love like that sometimes. So this is just a simple process. You continue like that, testing, and what you tell her matters a lot. You must show this care. The care aspects must be there. You must show this affection. You must show this love. You must, before you sleep every night, you need to tell yourself this is what you need. And before you know it, if she is the right person, because the universe has a way of creating a kind of bond attraction if there are similarities. And if there are no similarities, don't expect magic. It will only happen if there are similarities between both of you. That means that you people are destined to come together. So you can know this process constantly, provided that you are interested in marriage. So this process I just taught you now is not for people that want to catch fun. If you want to catch fun, you look for wherever. It's not going to be this process I am teaching you. It's for people that want to settle down and need a good, perfect relationship. You know that you're going to take your time to understand this person that you are with. So it's not, you're not going to rush. So allow her to understand your intention. Don't be so fast. If she gets to like you, no person outside will be able to take her from you, even without sex. So that means that ladies don't fall in love because of sex most at times. See what ladies need. Not money. So many people will come and tell you all ladies need money. They are wrong. It is 100% very wrong. They may need money, but it's not the major thing. Yes, money can come into play, like as in once in a while gift and all of that. But it is not so many ladies will fall in love even without money. That is why when you go to so many, listen, when you give a lady money, for instance, let me assume you give a lady 1 million naira cash, she will be so happy. Her enthusiasm will be so high. But guess what happens after some time? Now, if giving her, she's so happy. Gradually, the enthusiasm starts to go down gradually because money do not sustain relationship, do not sustain marriage. That is the same reason why so many ladies you see today that are married to highly wealthy people still have a girlfriend outside, because money is not what the lady needs. The lady needs serious love. You must test her. You must be with her when she needs you. Then, 2, affection. Yes, if she's a sex artist, if she's the sex addict or she's good at it, you must check if you are matched. If you are with a lady that the sexual aspect doesn't match, don't go for her. This is just a short. So if a sexual desire match with your own, good. If she doesn't match, good. These are things we need to look at before we go into marriage without causing issues later on. Love, affection, care. Now, every lady needs these things. What you need to learn is the law to relationship, not just play. You must learn the law. Relationship, there are laws that guide relationship. And on my next videos, I'll be teaching you people laws that guide relationship. And when you understand these laws, you understand what to do. Thank you very much. You are blessed.